Hello, today we are going to talk about HDFC home loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for HDFC home loan. Having monthly salary which is fit to cover EMI. Applicant age should be between 22 years to 60 years for salaried person and 22 years to 65 years for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650 and -1 CIBIL score applicant. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to 75 lakh. Tenure will be 5 years to 25 years. Login fees will be more than 3,000. Rate of interest will be 8.45% to 15% for salaried and 8.50% to 10% for self-employed. Turnaround time is 10 days for sanction, for disbursement within 3 days after submission of documents. Insurance and other charges will be 0% to 2%. Foreclosure charges will be nil. Processing fees will be up to 1% plus GST. Part payment is allowed up to 25%. Home loan OD product is not allowed. Products are BT plus top-up, fresh loan, plot plus construction, seller BT. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. Job experience for salaried person is 2 years. Experience with current employer should be 3 months. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of HDFC home loan UPYO 3 crore loan, no financial required. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are real estate, cash salary applicant, advocate, DSA. Negative properties are Khasra Khatoni property, Lal Dora property, unapproved property, GPA property, Gram Panchayat property, legal and technical not clear, GPA property, auction property, Bacha flat, basement, subdivided property, without map property, subject to sale deed. Specific product for professionals like for chartered accountant, doctors and architect. Maximum loan up to 3 CR, for doctor and CA 5 time of cash profit and for architect 3 time of cash profit. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if own residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, Foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.